Hi my country pipo, how una dey? Na newspaper review tori I bring una from Naija and all over the world. My name na Omogbemisola. The presidential candidate of the New Nigeria People's Party (NNPP) for 2023 election, Rabiu Musa Kokonso, don urge Governor Abba Kabir Yusuf make e pay more attention to the issue of security and human development in the state. Kokonso throway salute inside Salah message from the governor on Monday as e commend am on top im dedication to advance education and women empowerment wey go make life better for pipo wey dey for Kano. E share dis experience as former governor as e emphasize the importance of effective monitoring to ensure say dem distribute empowerment grants to everybody. Wen e dey respond, Governor Abba Kabir Yusuf thank Senator Kokonso for his mentorship as e tok am again say im administration dey ready to uphold the principles of Kokonsiya movement so that progress and development go continue for Kano. Dis one dey happen as the chairman of Mile 12 International Market Lagos, Shehu Jibril, blame high price of tomato on top insufficient supply, insecurity and infestation to be the reason why tomato and pepper price increase by more than 500% for Nigeria. Na inside Channels television interview Jibril tok dis one come outside today. News gather say 3 pieces of tomato and pepper now na 1,000 naira and 500 naira, unlike before wey the price be 100 naira and 50 naira few months ago for many markets across Nigeria. Dis one show say price of tomato and pepper don go up by 900% with the period. When dey talk about the price wey go up, Jibril note am say the supply of tomatoes and pepper to Lagos from other states drop because of insecurity and plant disease. E say except government tackle insecurity problem of high price of tomato and pepper go continue. Jibril say na off-season dem dey now, dem expect make tomato come from Ilaro, Ogbomoso, Abeokuta, Osun and some parts of Cameroon to Lagos. Unfortunately, the ones from Cameroon no fit feed the nation. Demand dey high and supply no reach anywhere. Jibril say dem expect say tomato from the north go dey available at dis time, but tomato Ebola disease no gree dem get enough. Jibril say if, for example, we get 5,000 farmers for Nigeria, na less than 1,500 dey go farm with one eye close. Majority of the farmers for north dey ID camp. If Nigeria no fit tackle the problem of insecurity, na so e go be, because solution no dey except farmer go farm. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Post. Drama shele for Plateau State as the sacrificial ram of Chief Imam of Mr. Ali community for Baza local government area of Plateau, Imam Abdulkareem, miss a day to Eid-el-Kabir. We hear say dem thief Abdulkareem ram when rain dey fall for the area a day to Eid-el-Kabir. Na one imam for the community, Haruna Yakub, tok dis one come outside when e dey preach immediately after the 2 Bakat prayers. Yakub condemn the incident as e tok say e dey insensitive. E say dis one show say people no fear God. E continue as e urge people make dem get fear of God, make dem no engage in stealing or any criminal thing, because everybody go account for their action here on earth and hereafter. Dis further tori dey inside Punch. Controversial rapper Idris Abdulkareem don hit hard at the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor Enoch Adeboye, inside his new single titled Emi Lokan. Na inside one of the verse, Abdulkareem accused Pastor Adeboye of hypocrisy as he tok say dis pastor protest against bad governance during the regime of former President Goodluck Jonathan, but now come dey claim say Nigeria get spiritual problem under Bola Tinubu regime. E say make dis clergyman stage 1 million man protest against President Tinubu as e do for Jonathan regime. E say time don reach make Pastor Adeboye speak the truth. According to how Abdulkareem tok am, e say our daddy Pastor Adeboye voice loud well during the time of Jonathan. E come reach hunger and hardship under Tinubu government. You say Nigeria get spiritual problem. Baba, we need your 1 million disciples to protest against President Tinubu government. Abi leg don dey pain your disciple? Time don reach make you talk the truth because hunger wan kill Nigerians. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Post. Finidi George don reveal di reason wey make am resign as head coach of Super Eagles. Na Saturday Finidi drop im resignation letter for Nigeria Football Federation (NFF). Di 53-year-old coach take im decision afta NFF announce say dem wan hire foreign technical adviser wey go tinker di team. Na inside video wey former media officer of di Eagles Colin Udoh post for social media few hours later confam say e don tok wit Finidi afta his decision. Finidi confam say true e don resign, and di reason according to Finidi, e meet wit NFF on Thursday and dem get good tok, and Finidi ask whether make e come back. Nobody tell am say dem don dey arrange for foreign technical adviser. After 2 days wey Finidi no hear anything, e resign. Dis further tori dey inside Vanguard newspaper. If una gbadun dis tori, make una help me subscribe, like, share and comment so dat we go dey notify una as other tori dey shele.